Welcome to this video on how to set up your practice agenda in HIP. Together, we will go through the essential steps to configure it easily. The data, patients, and doctors presented in this video are entirely fictional. They are used only to illustrate the features of HIP. Start by going to Settings, provided you have the necessary access rights. In the Agenda section, you can define your practice's opening hours according to your availability. You may edit or delete them at any time, then save your changes. The Office Holidays section allows you to import your canton's public holidays with a single click. If you wish to keep your practice open on a specific holiday, simply activate Office Available. You can also set up exceptional closures, such as annual leave. Please note, these apply to the entire practice, not to individual absences. In the Members section, you can view everyone registered in your practice. For each member, you can enable or disable the profile, change the role, for example, doctor or physiotherapist, or create a new profile. The Rooms section works in the same way. You can enable or disable a room, edit its details, or add a new one, such as a scanner room. All configured rooms will automatically appear when booking an appointment, making it easy to assign a specific room to each consultation or service. The Equipment section follows the same principle. You may enable or disable equipment, update its information, or add new items, such as a massage table or any other material used in your practice. This way, you can link equipment directly to a service or appointment, ensuring availability when needed. In the Healthcare Services section, you will find all services provided by your practice. You can create new ones, such as lymphatic drainage or a specialized consultation. You may specify which members they apply to, all members or only some, and also assign the relevant rooms and equipment. You can set the duration of each service and assign a meta tariff. We will explain meta tariff settings in detail in an upcoming video. At any time, you can activate, deactivate, or edit a service, for example, to adjust its duration, assigned room, or tariff. All changes are automatically applied in the agenda when booking appointments. Within the Members section, you can also exclude certain services for specific professionals. For example, if you do not wish Dr. Kiru to provide scar treatments, you can exclude the service for him directly. To learn more about creating and setting up medical appointments, please refer to video number 1. For more details, you can also visit our online help. The link is available in the description. We hope this tutorial helps you configure HIP's agenda functions with ease. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.